Hey you guys, happy when you guys are seeing it, it is Thursday. So happy Thursday. You guys already know what we are about to do. We are getting ready to go inside one of your favorite stores, JoJo, aka Joann's. I'm gonna tell you the sales that's in there and then get you over to the other sales as well. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll through the store, what I do best, and see what's going on in there. So let's go ahead and get into it now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the first sale. So I'm going to do it a little bit backwards today. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and do Vicky Sews patterns. And the Vicky Sew patterns that I'm going to do is starting with Vicky Sews on Etsy. So Vicky Sews on Etsy, they are doing a 75% off sale. So run to Vicky Sews patterns on Etsy if you are looking for some patterns. All right. Let's go ahead and get into Vicky Sews online. So as of the recording of this video, I am actually filming this December the 18th, which is Wednesday. It will be posted on Thursday, December the 19th for you guys. So Vicky Sews online is not doing a sale just yet. So just to let you know, there's not a sale going on vickysews.com. right as of the recording of this video, December 18th. So I wanted to go ahead and get both of those already mentioned to you guys. Now, before I get into another sale, so just to let you know, like this does not come in, like you can't pick it up and you cannot deliver it. It has to be shipping. So just make sure you are using the shipping option. It will be $17.99 plus any type of taxes, as well as $9.99 for shipping. All right. So that is the Vicky Sews on Walmart. All right. Let's go ahead and talk about simplicity.com. So on simplicity.com, they have the $3 PDF pattern sale. And the $3 PDF pattern sale is all patterns excluding Vogue and Berta patterns are $3. That means your Simplicity, mccalls, butterick, and Nomi patterns are $3. The Vogue patterns are $5, and then Berta patterns are not on sale. All right. So once again, Simplicity, mccalls, butterick, and Nomi are on sale for $3 PDF patterns only, and Vogue patterns is on sale for $5. Now this sale ends when you are seeing this today. That's December 19th. The sale goes until then. So make sure you are getting over there to simplicity.com and get your sale. Now let's go ahead and get into what you are here for, the Joann's sales. All right, you guys. So today I want to focus a little bit on the sportswear fabric, aka 12 style fabric or stretch woven, simply because with the Make 9 board, I seen that a lot of people had pants on there. So I just want to focus and show you guys some sales that is happening. So let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so in this suiting and sportswear, they have 25% off on the fashion apparel fabric. Now, for a few of them that I've seen, I have this fabric. So I used this fabric before, which is a cotton, it's like it says 100% cotton, but it's a stretch woven for that. A couple of other stuff that you could see, this is a knit, so I'm pretty sure that's in the wrong fabric, but I want to show you like a good twill style suiting fabric. So let me show you this one right here, which looks like it has like a linen hand. So this is a green heather solid suiting fabric. It's 100% polyester for this one, and it's about 58 inches wide for this one. So I like that one. I think I'm not gonna get it today because I'm on my lunch break, but I think I would actually get that one, come back and get that one. Now this one right here, which is this blue, this royal blue. Now this one right here is a stretch fabric. So it's a blue rodeo cotton. Let me show you guys let me focus the camera. All right, so this is a blue rodeo cotton. It is 98% cotton and 2% stretch with a width of 59 inches. So you could get a good pair of pants with that as well. I like that fabric, but for me, like for work style, I'm gonna show you this one. It's a suiting fabric. This one is a black and white plaid style suiting fabric. Is 65% polyester and 34% rayon with 1% spandex, and it's 58 inches. So this one right here is something that I would definitely pick up to make a pair of pants. I would pick up these grays for sure. But yeah, so I'm heavily focused on making a lot of pants for work. I do tend to wear a lot of dresses and skirts lately because I can't stand pants. I don't like jean pants, period. So I don't wear a lot of jeans to begin with. So these are some of the fabrics that you could pick up if you are making pants. Now, focusing on more of what people put on their Make 9 list, let's go ahead and talk about it. So another thing that many people put on their Make 5 or Make 9 list is something that have to deal with denim. It was like denim pair of pants, denim jacket, denim this, denim that, right? So let's talk about what's on sale for the denim fabric. So denim is on sale for 25% off. Now I seen some of the ladies who work with denim all the time have done some of these, okay? I believe my girl C from We See Style, she had something, maybe it was a rayon, but I could have swore that I seen this on her channel, which was a 7-ounce denim fabric. Let me focus this camera so you can see it. All right, so it is like a purple checker 7-ounce denim fabric. It's 98% cotton and 2% spandex, and it's 57 inches wide. Now, I know you guys may ask me to put the number of the fabric. I'm giving you guys as much details as possible, so take a quick stop, pause, whatever, to get this number 19243955. I'm not going back to the other fabrics to tell you that, but just make sure you pause this video so you're able to get that. All right, so these are, and I know Martika from Martika J Make, she made a pair of pants and a top with this fabric, which was super cute. Now, I know last week I talked about this green corduroy right here, right? And one thing I'm going to mention about this is it's coming home with me like right now, okay? Now, I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to make a jacket or if I'm going to make pants, but that has to come home with me. So that has to come home with me before it is all gone, all right? Another fabric that I'm thinking outside of this corduroy right here, I want to get this green one, but I also want to get this color right here, which is an olive corduroy. I think that would be amazing. I might have to get all three, y'all. All right, pray for me because I don't need to be picking up fabric right now. But January starts the no fabric, no pattern buy, so I have to get it now or forever hold my peace, Miss Alethea. All right, so let's go ahead and get into some other things. Now, if you are doing the after Christmas sale, you may want to take advantage of this 70% off. Yes, it's 70% off the holiday decor, gift wrapping, floral, ribbons, and candles. So take advantage of that after Christmas sale. Hey you guys, alright, so I'm coming in. So apparently last week when I told you guys that the sale was McCall's, it was originally Butterick and Vogue. So the lady that told me it was McCall, she meant for this week coming up. So it's supposed to be McCall's and Know Me. But what I'm going to say is definitely check all of the sales. McCall's and Know Me is what it is ringing up, but I'm gonna say go inside and check the sales because my store is showing Butterick and Vogue ended on the 15th, and McCall's and Know Me starting today. When you guys are seeing it, it would be December the 19th. All right, talk to you soon. Let's go scroll through the store and see what else is on sale. Let's go. All right, y'all, that is my time inside Joann's. So I hope you guys make the best of your holiday season. Go get you some patterns, go get you some fabric, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.